Hello, I'm James Bryden from CLPM. Today I'm going to talk about home energy efficiency and how to make your home more energy efficient and how to make sure you make the best decisions for your family and therefore the planet. Step 1. Start by gathering information about your property. We recommend that you consider the following. Basic geography and restrictions, so building location and its setting. Existing construction and state of repair, focusing on the basic fabric of the building. Existing heating arrangements and the comfort levels. Here it's also useful to know the expenditure on your heating bills. Step 2 is to consider your lifestyle, so what you and your family need. We all have different lifestyles, but these may change over time, so it's crucial that you improve your home with this in mind, certainly with the present potential increase in working from home. If you're a couple who work long hours out of the house, your needs will be very different than if you're a large family who spend most of your time at home. Think about what you need and make sure you consider how this might change in the future. The third step is to decide on what you want to achieve. Here at CLPM, we believe passionately that sustainability and construction should always go hand in hand, and we believe in a fabric-first approach, which aims at not using the energy in the first place by having an energy-efficient structure to your home. And that, where possible, we should all be aiming to build or make energy efficiency upgrades to our homes beyond those required by building regulations. Remember, building regulations are the lowest standard you're legally permitted to build to. If you wouldn't choose to drive the most basic car on the market, why would you settle for the lowest level of efficiency in your home? Consider your approach to the environment and what level of energy efficiency is appropriate for a home of your type. The aims you set for your home, combined with your existing property and the funds available, will drive your decision making. Investing in energy efficiency will help future-proof your home, improve its saleability and its value. But if you only have a tight budget, then there's very likely some simple improvements that could be made. For example, drafts can account for 8% of heating energy usage. By comparison, if this is your long-term home and you have the capital, it'll probably make sense to invest a higher amount on the fabric and infrastructure of your home. You'll enjoy a more comfortable home and you should recoup the costs via the reduced running costs. In many cases, there are government grants and incentives available too. As you can see, the process of carrying out an energy efficiency review is quite involved. Much of the information you need to compile requires a detailed knowledge of construction and heating systems. Likewise, understanding the pros and cons of all of the options that are available, such as renewable technologies, can be difficult. In our opinion, the fourth and final step is to approach an independent sustainability expert, such as CLPM, to carry out the review and help you determine the best solution for you. CLPM can even help you find and brief your builder and oversee the works too. To find out more, just drop us an email, contact us via our website or give us a call. Thanks for listening.